Morning everybody, this is Carlos and behind me is Norma. We are riding to the pig farm on Lockside Drive. I just thought I would make a video of some of the more scenic parts of this ride. That is Mount Douglas looming in the distance. We're going to take a right here. As you can see, everything is in full bloom. People are watering their lawns, something that they will not be allowed to do in August. Normally there's a hosepipe ban in August. No more washing cars, no more watering the lawn. 6 minutes in to our ride so far, and you might be able to see we're traveling around 20 kilometers an hour most of the time. I've got to pay attention here. Okay, Mount Douglas Park. Into the forest we go. The forest of fun. I'll stop the recording when we get onto Cordova Bay Road because it's kind of noisy there, and I'll start it up again when we're on Lockside Trail. That guy shouldn't have passed us. It says single file. Not too many people take notice of that sign, unfortunately. So this is where I stopped the first clip. So 14 minutes in, and we're on Lockside Trail now. Friday tomorrow is the beginning of the long weekend. So the May long weekend, a lot of people take off. So today is the last day of work for them. They won't be back until Tuesday. I have been working steadily, doing Rob's shift at Little Piggy's Catering, and I'm kind of enjoying being part of a team. I'm not really a team player, but as the lowest of the low, I am the new boy, and I am enjoying being the new boy at 71 years old, surrounded by younger people. There's about 6 or 7 people working in the kitchen. These look like Norma's pickleball friends. Hello.
Morning.
Alright, so this is where it becomes quieter. Other than the wind noise, it should be pretty peaceful along here. I'll let you enjoy the view. No cars on this section. We join the roadway just a bit ahead here, as you might see from the video. This is where I apologize once again to the audio audience. You're missing out on a beautiful flowery e-bike ride. Dogwoods, rhododendrons, azalea, maples in full leaf, Erica. Yep, it is a beautiful part of the world. Unfortunately, the summers don't see a lot of rain, so everything dries up by the end of August. The lawns become like coconut matting. This used to be the rail bed. From Victoria to Sydney there was a railway line. Over the speed bumps we go. 17 minutes in to this ride, and I'm now averaging around 20 kilometers an hour. I found that because I ride to work, the last 3 days I've been riding to work, my riding muscles are getting stronger. I'm becoming a more powerful cyclist, even with an e-bike. The only muscle that you're not working quite as hard on an e-bike is your heart muscle. My heart rate is a little bit lower than a brisk walk, a little bit higher than a walk, and quite a lot lower than a run. My average heart rate when I'm running is around 123 beats per minute. That's my cruising speed for running, for my heart. Anyway, got to pay attention here. There's a four-way stop sign. My turn. Alright, we're through safely. They've done quite a lot of development over on that side. All those new houses have gone in the last few years. There were houses there before, but they just bought them, pulled them down and put up new ones. A lot of disposable income here. This is quite an affluent province. Victoria is a very affluent city. As I pass Abbey Road, over some more speed bumps. There you go. We're going to go past the kindling stand. Obviously I'm not buying kindling anymore. I stopped burning wood about a month ago, officially. I did burn a bit of paper the other day because it was accumulating, but Norma immediately spotted the smell. She said, "You've been burning stuff again?" Yeah, I had to admit that I had. But yeah, we do have a service. A recycling service picks up paper, plastic, glass, metal. And they also have a collection for organic stuff, kitchen waste. If it fits in the bin and it's biodegradable, they will take it. If you chopped up your branches and weeds, they would take those. Weeds they take. Branches they're not so keen on. As long as they fit in the bin, they'll take them. So there is the kindling place. That little box there. No kindling. Stop sign. Alright. I'm going to switch off the video in a second because we have another little bit of a road section. So I'm going to cut the clip just around here. Alright, I'm going, and so is she. I wish they'd cut the bushes back here a little bit. These are blackberries. I have been scratched before. 21.62 kilometers per hour. As I tilt the camera a little bit more so you can see the trees. And another couple of, well, one speed bump. Hoppa! Nice looking poppies. Another speed bump. Very soon, where those people are up ahead, the trail becomes trail again, alongside trail, the rail trail, and another speed bump becomes gravel and dirt. Oop-a-lay. And this is where the asphalt ends. Into the shade. So the camera should be picking this up pretty well. I've got the camera mounted on my chest, slightly higher than usual. I noticed from the first experiment that I did that I was filming the odometer mostly and not so much of the view. There, now you can see how it's a rail trail. That characteristic straightness and flatness. And you can hear from my tires that this is dirt. Average speed 21.22 kilometers per hour. There are bits of this trail that are access points for people who live on the trail, so those sections are paved. Another stop sign. Okay. There's a nursery to the left, and I believe there's a riding stable to the right. Not quite sure of the businesses along here. Yeah, that's some kind of private farm development. 25 minutes into this ride as we go back onto dirt. This is where we saw the eagle the other day. And a cyclist with his light on. It's not a bad idea to have your light on even in the daytime. Mainly because the cars quite often don't see us. But there's no real reason on this trail because there are no cars. Just cyclists and horses and pedestrians. Yeah, I'm definitely riding faster than usual. Ah, now I know why. I've got Power Assist 3 on. I'm going to turn it down to 2. I've had it on Power Assist 3, that's why I was going so fast. I thought it was my leg muscles from all the cycling. Anyway, I put it down to 2. Yeah, I know. That's faster than usual. I thought it was because of all the cycling I've been doing. But no, it's the battery that was working harder than me. Anyway, I'm going to notify these people that we're around. Hello. I mean, if I want the exercise, obviously I don't want to have too much power assistance. I want to be able to work somewhat. Let me just check that I'm still recording video. Let me see my knees pumping. Can't actually see how many minutes I have left. But we're getting very close to the pig farm. Eh, there was me thinking I was super fit. Oh, I'm sure there is something to be said for e-biking every day. It's 10 kilometers each way, so that's 12 miles round trip. I can see the roof of the pig farm already in the distance. Alright, I hear cars. Alright. Another little bit of access asphalt. There's the nursery, and on the right, this is a riding stable. The Grouse Nest Farm, a dude ranch. Alright, I'm going to stop this clip so it doesn't run out when I'm at the pig farm. Alright, so the last clip on the outward journey, this is where it opens up into farmland. Farmland all around. I'm just about warm enough, but the wind is getting through my clothing. This is where we anticipate what we might be getting in terms of vegetables. I'm looking for potatoes, onions, tomatoes, carrots. That's about it. And some fruit. I might make some more wine or some more jam. Sometimes there's old grapes here. So we're going to be pulling up very soon now. You'll see Norma's brake light go on. Anything today? Oh yeah. There's an abundance of everything today. Look at all that beautiful stuff. Tomatoes, a lot.
Potatoes in here.
Potatoes, carrots, asparagus. What did you say? They got corn on the cob? They've got the traffic light peppers, red, green and amber. Wow, what a haul! Lucky I didn't order tomatoes, no? I did tomato sauce this morning from the tomatoes that I did buy off you last week. So I'm taking the roasting potatoes. This is where we come up here. Anything that I could... Yeah, I don't think it's worth getting second-rate corn, but I was needing fruit and I got fruit. What's this? It's not radishes in there. They're sprouts.
Radish sprouts?
Yeah.
Microgreens, yeah.
I guess they could go in a smoothie, couldn't they? Wow. Without getting greedy, I've taken enough.
You're gonna get some potatoes, right?
I took the roasting potatoes. Why these ones?
Well, I'll get you the collar potato.
I've taken about that many roasting potatoes, but
Not roasting, just regular.
these little goldens? Okay. Hello. Good stuff today. Lucky day. Look at this. Anyway. Thank you, pig. As long as the pig stays alive, the farmer will provide us with surplus food. It looks as if the pig got most of the fruit. Alright, so this is the running jackal, Mrs. Jackal, and our friend foraging for beautiful produce. Saying bye-bye. Seeing the Blenkinsop trestle over Blenkinsop Lake. Hello. Got to be very respectful of people with their dogs on leashes. So this is where the famous Roy is guarding Blenkinsop Lake. There he is. Farmer Roy. He had a mauve band on his shoulder. I'm not sure if a mauve armband is significant. 19.05 kilometers per hour as we step back onto the gravel. Well, we're not stepping back, but you know what I mean. We're cutting back onto the gravel. Pretty soon we're going to be turning left onto Mount Douglas Crossroad. That's about a minute and a half away. We'll be on Mount Douglas Crossroad. Yep, we're definitely faster this week than usual. Normally we hit the 1 hour mark at the bridge. Today we're way past the bridge. Yep, I'm feeling quite energetic today. First day back after work. We'll do it for you. Alright, so this is where we turn into the sun. Pump, pump, pump. So there's the 1 hour mark. 1 hour of moving time. Time for hydration. And I don't have anything to drink. Anyway, I'm having a lot of fun doing this. I will say bye-bye once again to you all.